In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use spell check with Google Sheets. Whether you're a seasoned spreadsheet user or just starting out, knowing how to leverage Google Sheets' built-in spell check can greatly enhance your productivity and accuracy, allowing you to catch and correct typos or spelling errors seamlessly. Let's dive right in and walk through this straightforward process together. First things first, you'll want to open up Google Sheets. If you haven't already, simply head over to your browser, navigate to Google Drive, and create a new Google Sheet, or open an existing one that you'd like to work on. Once you've got your Google Sheet open, you're ready to start checking for any spelling mistakes on the fly. Imagine you're already in the spreadsheet and you hover over to cell C2. Doesn't matter what's in it right now because that's where we're going to enter our Smart Fill formula. Now, I know that sounds complex, but trust me, it's not. All you have to do is type this formula into cell C2 equals left, open parenthesis, B2, comma, find, open parenthesis, quotation period quotation, comma, B2, close parenthesis, -1, close parenthesis. This formula is designed to help you automatically extract and manage data in your sheet, making organization and analysis that much easier. Once you've typed in that formula, press enter. Google Sheets will automatically recognize the pattern it's supposed to follow and suggest a smart fill for the rest of your data. This is where you can easily review the suggested data autofill and make sure everything is spelled correctly. It's another layer to your built-in spell check process, filtering and organizing while you go. After you're done with the smart fill formula, it's time for the actual spell check. Simply head over to the menu bar at the top of your Google Sheets. Click on Tools, and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, click on Spelling. Once you do that, you'll see an option titled Spell Check. Go ahead and select that. Google Sheets will immediately scan through your entire document, looking for any spelling mistakes it detects. If it finds any, it'll bring them to your attention one by one, offering suggestions for corrections. You have the option to accept the suggestions or ignore them if they're proper nouns or acronyms you don't want changed. And there you have it. Google Sheets makes it incredibly simple to check your spelling and ensure your data is error-free. This feature is not just about checking spellings, it allows you to maintain a professional and polished document. So whether you're working on a large dataset or just jotting down notes, Google Sheets Spell Check is a handy tool to have in your digital toolbox. Happy spreadsheeting, and see you next time with more helpful tips.